Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, cousin? What's up? So we're just gonna keep this video very short and sweet and just jump to the key points I want to address in this video and just really just get out to the viewer, to the audience, to the cousins, what's going on in my head, in my creative direction, and really in my strategical direction. Let's first talk about channel changes. As of recently, I'm deciding to take my channel in a different direction, just temporarily, and I want to niche down, which is pretty much I want to focus on a particular topic and a particular genre of videos. Instead of posting maybe makeup videos, hair videos, clothing videos, vlogs, I want to focus on just producing one genre of videos, which is going to be natural hair content. I'm aware that not everyone will want to watch natural hair videos. I'm definitely aware of it, and I get frustrated when other YouTubers make only one type of video, like only hair videos. It's like, girl, like broaden your horizons. Why are you only doing one type of video? But strategically speaking, that's how you grow your channel, when you get that one audience to continue to come back to you. So that's what I'm doing. I'm niching down and I'm only producing natural hair videos. This is only temporary, and when I say it's only temporary, I'm not doing things just for the numbers. I'm not doing things just to grow, but at the same time, my end goal is to grow on YouTube. So I ask myself, what do I do when I have viewers that don't necessarily articulate what they want to see from me? And then I also have a goal is to grow. Like earlier this year, I posted a video just talking about pretty much my mental health and how I was feeling down and very stuck and very depressed. I was in a very depressed, low state beginning of this year. And now I'm feeling much better. I feel like when you seek positivity and you want to change your mindset, every time you look around, it's something positive, it's something uplifting. And I'm very thankful for that right now, because I don't know, it's like I pulled myself out of my little funk and I feel much better about everything. I hope this wasn't too much of a chit chat for you guys, but it was some much needed talk. We need to have a family discussion. So as always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and I'll see y'all in my next upload. Please comment down below any ideas you guys may have, and also any just keep the dialogue in the comment section. Talk to you later.